Hi, this is Shinehouse. Because I am working directly on site, I decided to create this video to provide our customers with some truly helpful information. I recently visited 47 Pyeong of construction in Songdo, Incheon, a Korean apartment. I have put together 3 key points that anyone looking for curtains should watch. The first is the charm of non-blackout curtains. Many think blackout is a must, but look at this living room and how the sunlight softly filters through. This is the power of antibacterial fabric without blackout function. It keeps the texture while making the home atmosphere much brighter. The second point is the linen-style texture. You want the natural feel of linen, but are you worried about maintenance? The fabric I chose makes the house beautiful while generating less dust. The fluttering mood of the linen fabric was brought as it was. Linen's fabric makes the house feel natural and modern. Third, the most important, shape memory processing. In large homes, there are so many curtains that messy pleats make the room look very untidy. However, the shape memory processing processed by high-temperature heat has a sharp wrinkle, as you can see. The wrinkles of the fabric maintain a knife-like angle and neatness. Ultimately, it is the curtains that define the expression of a home. If you don't know how to decorate your space, please feel free to contact us. You can send it to us by email. Curtain experts will consult with you. If today's video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks.